I'm going to teach you how to create bank rules in QuickBooks Online. This is a straightforward process that can save you a lot of time in managing your finances by automating repetitive transactions. First, log into your QuickBooks account. Click the Sign In button, then choose QuickBooks Online from the list of available services to make sure you're accessing the correct platform. Enter your credentials carefully, typing in your username and password, and click Continue to proceed. This will bring you to the main dashboard of your QuickBooks account. From the dashboard, navigate to the Accounting tab. This is your central hub for managing all your financial information in QuickBooks. Click on it, then select Bank Transactions from the drop-down menu. This section is specifically for handling your linked bank accounts and related transactions. Next, find and select the transaction to which you'd like to apply the bank rule. Clicking on your transaction will usually bring up more options and details relevant to it. This is where you begin tailoring rules to your specific needs. Look for an option that says Create a Rule and click on it. A new panel or window will open where you can configure the specifics of your bank rule. Start by adding a name for your rule. Make it clear and descriptive so you can easily identify it in the future. A good rule name should hint at the type of transaction or its purpose. Then, set the parameters of your rule. This could include criteria based on transaction amount, payee, or the account it's associated with. The more specific your rule, the more efficient and error-free your bookkeeping will be. Once you've configured your rule to match your desired criteria, click Save. This finalizes your rule creation, and QuickBooks will automatically apply it to any future transactions that meet the conditions. Congratulations, you've just set up a bank rule in QuickBooks Online. By automating this part of the process, you can streamline your accounting, reduce manual errors, and save yourself a lot of time. I hope this guide helps you take better control of your financial data. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.